Well, I heard that it would teach you a lot about the business end of photography, which is something that I'm not naturally strong in. So I knew that I needed to do it. You know, I've got all the skills and the passion and all that taken care of, but as far as the business end, I'm just not a natural business mind, so it was definitely a class that I needed to take. I felt so inspired and so ready to go take on the world and change a million things about my business, and I was just so excited to get started and really get a hold on the business end of my business. I was excited and inspired. Over the past 2 years, we have definitely increased our profit margin and our average sale by a lot, and we've really become a profitable studio, which is, you know, something to be said because I've only been in business for 3 years, almost 3 years now. So yeah, it really changed the way that I think about business and the way that I think about photography. So the most important thing I would say that I took away from it was that Andre says, one of the quotes that we say in class was that I do what is hard so the rest of my life is easy, and that I think about every day when you know, I'm approached with something that's out of my comfort zone. You know, I think about the words that Andre has taught us, and you know, I really analyze if it's in line with what I really want to do with my business. You know, I take the leap and I go ahead and do it, and that's something that I definitely took away from Andre's class.